Need to change the language on Snapchat? This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy to switch the app to your preferred language in just a few taps. Launch the Snapchat app on your phone and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're on the camera screen, tap your profile icon in the upper left corner to open your account page. From there, tap the settings icon in the upper right corner. This will open Snapchat settings menu where you can manage everything from privacy options to app preferences. Scroll down until you reach the My App section. Here tap Customize My App to view personalization options available for your account. Next, select language. Snapchat will display a list of all supported languages. Scroll through the list and tap the language you want to use. If you're learning a new language or simply prefer using Snapchat in your native language, this feature makes it easy to customize your experience. After choosing your preferred language, tap Change to confirm your selection. The app will update its interface automatically, and you'll notice menus, settings, and navigation appear in the language you selected. Some devices may briefly refresh the app while the changes are applied. If you don't see the language option, make sure you're using the latest version of Snapchat, as some features may vary depending on your app version, device, or region. Whenever you'd like to use another language, simply repeat these steps and choose a different option from the list. Your settings can be changed as often as you like. Stay tuned for more helpful tips.